Hi, this is Jody from Poppy Winkle, and today I'm going to talk about cardboard boxes, and I'm in my kitchen so I can show you how I separate the pieces of the cardboard. So let's get to it. Okay, so here we are. I've got my kitchen sink, I've got my cardboard, and I've got my hot water. And all you do is you want to run the hot water, or warm water actually, that's a little hot, and you do it until you see these layers start to separate. And you don't even really have to pull, but I'm doing it just to kind of hurry the process up. But that's all you do. You just kind of let the water run down there, and whatever glue is in there lets go. So I just set those soggy pieces of cardboard box out to dry. I just laid them flat and they'll be dry in no time. And here are some pieces I've done in the past, and I love to make little note cards out of them. It's definitely thicker than a paper bag. I would say cardstock level. And it's just so kind of grungy. It's got some character to it. And the best part is these lines. When you take the cardboard apart, the warm water melts these glue lines. This is where the glue was, and you're left with these lines, which is perfect for writing. So that's to me, that's golden. But anyway, the other thing I like to use it, because it's heavy, it's heavier than a paper bag, is I like to do this faux leather treatment on it. And I have a video for that I'll show you. So you can see the lines here. I'll put a link to the to how I make it. It takes two things other than this cardboard. It takes two ingredients. It's so easy. Here are some pieces. I used all that faux leather. I use it on everything. Here's a tab. I just really love having that in my journals. Another little tab. And a belly band. Flip up belly band. And there's some more faux leather. All out of a cardboard box. So don't throw those Amazon boxes away. Make use of them. Thanks for watching. Bye.